Hi guys, and welcome to this video. This is Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com. I've just been made aware of a free logo design service that's online. So I'm just going to do a quick video about it. If you're making websites and you need to make a quick logo either for yourself or your customer, it's a great little service. So let's head over there. It's at Designevo.com, and I'll drop this link below the video here. And when you first get there, this is the page that you are presented with. And I'm going to choose the size of my logo. I usually go for about 300 wide. This is width times height, presumably. And about 100 high. And here you can make it zoom in or zoom out, bigger or smaller. Now if you're looking for an icon or something, you can put in a search term here, or click on one of the most popular search terms they got here, and it'll come up with a bunch of icons for you. I'm not actually looking for an icon for this particular thing that I've got in mind. But I do need a shape, so I'm going to go down to the shapes here. You're presented with these little arrows, open and close these boxes here, these accordions. You've got badges, decorations, lines, solid shapes, outline shapes, banners, symbols, and they're all pretty good. They've got some real useful ones. These are great. I use the copyrights and trademarks all the time, and of course you've got banners, various outline shapes, but I'm looking for a solid shape. Now you got these flourishes and decorations up here as well. I'm not really looking for that, but some people may, or maybe I should say. So let's go for, I want a solid shape. I want a circle. I've got something in mind. So I want a circle. That's good. I want it to be fair size. Take up as much of my area as I can. And I'm going to have some white writing on here. I'm going to make that circle. If we select it, you can select the color. It's going to be red. And you've got orientation, flip horizontally, flip vertically. Obviously for a circle that's not going to do a whole lot. And you've got an opacity here where you can take the opacity up and down, or transparency, for those of you that don't know what opacity is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change my background color here, because I'm going to be using some white text, and obviously I'm not going to be able to see it if I have continue using a white background. I've just got to remember to change this back at the end. Okay, so I've just been a color there. So now I want to go up to the text, and again, if we close that little accordion arrow there, there's various different styles: bold, modern, traditional, serif. Covers most of the bases here, and they've got some quite good ones. And if you click on the art tab, they've got some sort of already prepared ones with effects that you can use straight out of the box, as they say. So I want something fairly simple and modern looking. In fact, I think that'll probably do it right there. So all I did is click on it, and it's put it in here for me. And 5 points not going to do it. I'm probably going to need some 60s or 70s. Gosh, 72 might be too big. Let's try 48 for starters. And you can select particular sections just by left clicking, or you can just do a single click to put your cursor in there. Not sure why it says double click to edit. That seems to be single click, at least for me, unless I'm doing something wrong here. Right, let's I'd like to take that up a little bit in size. I wonder if we can type a value in here. Nope, can't type a value in. I think 72 is going to be a bit too big. Well, we can increase the size of our canvas here. That's cool. You see when I go over the center line there, it actually gives us a center marker. I'm going to increase the size of my canvas by another 100 pixels. Because that's the size I want, but it doesn't fit on there. There we go. Now if I just drag, I hopefully should be able to select everything and move it back. Yep, that's great. That's just what I wanted to do there. And click off of it. So now I want to make this writing, or this text I should say, white. Fine. And as I say, you can add effects to the text, opacity, outlines and glows and what have you. I really don't need any of that right now, but I'll just show you. Let's say blue. You know, you can get some really nice effects going. And like I say, this is free. It's online. If you need to make a logo, it's never going to replace, obviously, Photoshop or Illustrator, but for those of you that want a quick logo and don't have that software, this is a great little option here. I think I'll just want to drag that back just a little bit. There we go, right about there. Okay, we're getting there. I'm just making a quick logo here. Okay, I want something decoration, or not decoration, but a line of some sort, some dots of some sort under there. So let's go back to our shapes. See what sort of lines they got. Line. That's what I'm looking for right there. I'm just dragging the points on the corner here to make it larger. And I'm gonna keep it simple, stupid. I'm gonna keep it red. Now if you just click off of that, you'll be able to move it along. That's pretty much what I want right there. Maybe a little bit bigger. Yep, that'll do it. And I want a little trademark symbol right in the corner there. So go back to our shapes here. Enter the symbol. That's the fella right there. Don't go on it. Hello, what happened to my little lines? My little lines disappeared there. Perhaps I've got to put them back in. I may have had them selected. Let's go back there, find those lines again. There we are. I could hide that one in there like that. That'll work. Anyway, back to the red color. That was easy to restore. Okay, now my trademark symbol, not quite where I want it. There we go, I've sort of lined it up with the edge of those dots there, and I want that one to be white as well. Perhaps a little bit smaller. Right, that's going to do me. When I put it into site, it's going to have a dark background there. We've got a nice little preview icon up here, and it shows you what your logo is going to look like in various scenarios here. That's pretty cool, actually. So I'm happy with that. Now I've got to change that background. I want it back to transparent because I just want a sort of ping logo, a transparent background there. Obviously that's disappeared. Now I want to download it. And the only requirement, you can either give them a shout on your website by copying this code here, or give them a shout by advertising it on social media. So I'll give them a little tweet. And now download it. There we have it. It's downloaded it, and we're all good to go. So there you have it. Designevo. It's a free service. If you need a quick logo, try it out. As I say, I'll put this link in below this video. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.